When to the sessions of sweet silent thought I summon up remembrance of things past, I sigh at the lack of many a thing I sought, and with old woes new wail my dear time's waste. Then can I drown an eye unused flow for precious friends hid in death's stateless night, and weep afresh love's long since cancelled woe, and moan the expense of many